Hello, Mr. Sachs and I are joining you today in a very serious ceremony to pull tickets for these two iPads. Mr. Sachs, do you have anything to say?
I'm just so excited for the person that I'm going to pick.
He's so excited.
So excited.
And thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
The first token, Mr. Sachs. This is for vintage, gray, 13 upstairs iPad.
One of the best.
One of the best.
One of the best.
Classic.
Okay, and that will go to Charlotte Robin.
Charlotte, you won vintage iPad.
Congratulations.
And now, for gray 26 upstairs.
Ooh, gray 26
It
upstairs.
was always my favorite.
Gonna miss it.
Vintage iPad, pulled by Mr. Sachs.
Eva
Eva Herrera, you have won.
She's in my class.
She's in